In this video, what you have seen that there is a contrast. In one side there is huge traffic, so much of noise everywhere. There are residential apartments, office complexes, and on the other side there is a jungle which is in the middle of the city, in the middle of this whole sector, and it is so calm, it is so peaceful that you can see. And the main thing is it is open from morning till 9:30 p.m. in the night. And as you have seen the lighting over there, and how much decoration is there on that jungle trail, it is completely fabulous. So this is the whole theme of this video, that I want to show that sector 94 is not just only regular highways or regular expressway, office buildings, and the city vibes, but also in the middle of that there is a jungle, which is an artificial jungle made up of completely scrap metal. Very commendable, but it is a complete contrast. In the middle of city you find so much peace, so much calmness. That is something very good. So that was my video for today. I hope you have enjoyed this video completely, every section of it. And if you have find it good enough to share it with your friends and family, please do it. Please like my video, share my video, share your valuable comments on my video, and of course subscribe to my channel. Okay, I will see you in the next video. I will just turn it off now, and I will see you some other time. Till then, take care. Bye bye.